Sa
Mm.
akin, nag-work sa akin as long as I am physically and mentally prepared for review. That's the
Wow.
time na nag-review lang ako. Hindi ko pinipressure yung sarili ko na I have to finish this.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. With me is Nurse Gregory Abrasaldo Cambroniro RN, Saudi Arabia registered nurse, and USRN from Kisan. We have assisted Nurse Gregory with his NCLEX USA exam application, and today he will share his journey of becoming a USRN and his experience in choosing Nasha with his NCLEX exam application process. Can you introduce yourself, sir?
Hi, good evening. My name is Gregory, and I'm currently based in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as a clinical nurse, nursing educator, and a quality, and previous ICU head nurse. That's it.
Wow. Thank you so much for that one, sir. Sir, first, we would like to know the reason and what motivates you to take the NCLEX to become a registered nurse in the US.
Well, of course, we all wanted to have a better future and a better career path in the United States. So I was convinced by my relatives there to take the exam, and it was referred to me by the Bright Spring through their management to come to the NASHA, to your business consultancy program.
Wow. That's a really good reason, sir. Going back, you started your assessment process with us last April 26, 2023. No, medyo matagal na, no?
Yes,
Submit
yes, yes.
requirements natin. And you passed the NCLEX last June 12, 2025 this year. No, medyo natagalan tayo before proceeding.
Yes, yes.
But now you are now a USRN. Can you share us your exam preparation and review? How does it work? Did you create a study guide? How do you manage your time since you are currently working?
Yeah, it's very important, if you're currently working, currently employed, it's very important to allocate a specific time for you to study. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na kailangan may susundin kang timetable or time frame for you to study. Sa akin, nag-work sa akin as long as I am physically and mentally prepared for review. That's the
Wow.
time na nag-review lang ako. Hindi ko pinipressure yung sarili ko na I have to finish this. But I enrolled in your review course. What is this?
Yes.
I enrolled in this intensive review, and it helped me on how to navigate those topics, especially with our instructor. What's his name again?
Sir AJ.
Yes, Sir EJ. Sir EJ has been very helpful with regards to the topics. I'm attending the lectures and as well as the programs. So yun, may program naman na nakalagay doon.
Well, thank you so much for that one, sir. During the examination day, can you tell us anong number kayo nag-stop? Anong
Oh
time
my God.
nag-stop? What are the things that pwede nating mapag-usapan para at least other nurses can also learn this kind of the strategy that you have, or what are the specific things that they need to know based on your experience as well?
Okay. So, sabi nung instructor doon, we have 150 questions for 5 hours to complete that test. Around 86, 87, something like this, 85 above. Nag-shutdown yung computer ko. So, I was puzzled. why napakaagap niya mag-close. So hindi ko alam na ang dami-daming case study na lumabas, ang
Mm.
dami-daming grabe yung case study.
Mm.
Grabe. Grabe yung case study. Pero at somehow, Nasha helped me on how to, you know, apply the strategies that I've learned on the review, how to
Mm.
do the elimination, how to do the proper ways of answering the exam. So really, it helped a lot.
Wow.
So
And nung
imagine.
and nung na-receive mo yung result ng exam mo, sir, how does it feel? With all those waiting time that you have, you started your assessment back in 2023, you did your review, and nakita mo na yung result ng exam mo. How does it feel?
Actually, sir, ang sa totoo niyan, hindi ko ina-expect na napapasa ako kasi nga hindi ako nag-aral ng matagal kasi nga
Mm.
I'm working.
Yeah.
So, ang hirap pagsabayin. Then, nung umuwi lang ako ng Pilipinas, saka ako nakapag-intensive review
Mm.
ng a week before. So,
Wow.
parang ina-expect ko na nalalabas dun sa result. Kasi di ba ipo-purchase mo yung result.
Yeah.
Babayaran mo yung result. So, pagka-purchase ko, ina-expect ko na ay baka fail to. Kasi nga ang early nag-shutdown ng computer ko. So, sabi ko, okay, sige na. Iangat na lang natin kay Lord lahat. Tapos
Yeah.
sumimba pa kami noon sa Cavite, sa San Agustin Church before nung exam.
Mm.
So yun. Tapos paglabas nung pass down, sabi ko, paano ko nagawa yun? Ang galing naman.
Wow. Binigay talaga yan sa'yo ni God, sir, no, with all the waiting time and challenges mo, currently working ka, binigay talaga yun sa'yo. Kasi nga yung iba, it takes time, how many takes for them to pass the NCLEX, and ikaw
Yeah.
pumasa ka na kaagad, no? With all these challenges, sir, can you tell us in details how Nasha, in partnership with Bright Spring, helps you with the process with your NCLEX journey?
Actually, nag-start yan noong 2023. Hindi
Mm.
ako nakapag-exam noon agad kasi nagamit ko na yung bakasyon ko.
Mm.
Nakauwi na ako from Pinas, tapos bumalik na ako ng Saudi, saka nag-start si Nasha sa akin. So, hindi ko mapasok in between yung schedule of exam kasi hindi na ako entitled sa vacation.
Mm.
So, nitong 2025, nagkaroon ako ng vacation. That's the time na sabi ko, okay, i-push na natin to. From very beginning, you've been very helpful. From the documents sa school, imagine, you even send money para bayaran yung pamasahe, yung documents, ticketing and everything. Kasi yung brother ko yung nagpa-follow up ng papers. Even yon, fina-follow up nyo. And even yung schedules and everything, finifix nyo yun. Sobrang, really, Nasya has been very helpful to me on my NCLEX journey. And sana hindi matapos.
Yes, of course. May mga next pa tayo na process, sir, license endorsement and visa screen. No? Ganon naman talaga si Nasha. We are not just a processing company, but we want to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. And you are now one step closer to your American dream because you are now a USRN. And
Thank
lastly,
you.
sir, what are your message and advices to other medical professionals, nurses who are planning to take the NCLEX, the same yung kanilang situation sa'yo, currently working, currently employed, planning to take the NCLEX, preparing for the NCLEX and wanted to become a USRN? What are your message and advices to them?
Huwag kayong matakot. Huwag silang matakot na mag-try. Kahit na mahirap i-balance yung physical at saka yung mentalidad mo kasi nagtatrabaho ka tapos hindi mo alam kung saan isisingit yung pag-aaral. Minsan uuwi ka kasi sa bahay, pagod ka na, wala ka ng energy, ganyan. So ang advice ko, huwag kayong matakot, dear nurses. Subok lang ng subok hanggang marating natin yung ultimate dream natin sa career natin. And pray, always pray. Pray lang ng pray.
Talagang hindi naman natin magagawa yan without God's guidance. And tulad nga ng sinabi niyo, sir, is kailangan mag-pray tayo kasi during the examination day, wala ka namang ibang kasama, wala ka namang mapagtanungan sa katabi mo. Every question, you pray to God that you have the...
Yes.
Yeah. And I guess you experienced that one as well.
Kasi nga nung after nung exam, parang 3 or 5 kami na natapos agad sa 80 something, 85, ganyan. So lahat kami shocked na, oh my God, nag-shutdown na yung computer namin. Oh my God, ano na nangyayari? Tapos na ba? Ito na ba? Yun, as in, nagkakatinginan ka na lang po kami nung mga tapos na kasi nga sabi namin, totoo na ba to? Ito na ba? Wala, nag-shutdown na siya. So tapos na.
Yes.
I-surrender na lang lahat. Sige na.
Wow.
So yun.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your story. We know a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same, especially yung may mga situation the same po sa inyo. Your journey, sir, is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone. Congratulations, sir, and we look forward seeing you in the coming months and years working as a registered nurse in the US in partnership with Bright Spring as well. Maraming salamat po, sir, for sharing your story.
Okay.